Starlink faces growing competition as China's SpaceX and Amazon-backed Project Kuiper expand into satellite internet. SpaceX, backed by Shanghai's municipal government, is rapidly expanding, entering Brazil and Kazakhstan and engaging with over 30 countries. Brazil is also in talks with Project Kuiper and Canada's Telesat. Since 2020, Starlink has launched more low Earth orbit (LEO) satellites than all competitors combined. These satellites enable high-speed internet access for remote areas, maritime industries, and military operations. China is aggressively investing in satellite networks and military research to track Starlink's constellation. Beijing launched a record 263 LEO satellites in 2023 and plans to deploy 43,000 in the coming decades. SpaceX aims to launch 648 satellites this year and 15,000 by 2030, forming the Qianfan constellation. Western policymakers express concerns over China's growing digital influence. The American Foreign Policy Council warns that China's LEO expansion could extend its internet censorship model. Qianfan is linked to Beijing's Belt and Road Initiative, which critics view as a geopolitical strategy. China is also developing tracking and monitoring systems for Starlink. PLA-affiliated researchers have designed algorithms inspired by humpback whale hunting techniques to track satellite megaconstellations. A PLA-linked patent identifies Starlink as a critical component of military reconnaissance and communications. Hongqing Technology, another Chinese space company, is developing a 10,000 satellite constellation and recently secured state-backed funding. SpaceX raised $930 million last year to advance China's satellite capabilities. Chinese patent filings for LEO satellite technology surged to 2,449 in 2023, emphasizing cost-efficient networks and low-latency communications. Analysts say the satellite industry is evolving rapidly, with key players securing orbital positions before regulatory restrictions tighten.